Hello knowledge explorers. Let's take a closer look at this often misunderstood animal, but has its own uniqueness: hyenas. Hyenas, although often associated with a scary image, actually has unique and interesting behavior to study. With its unique behavior and role in the ecosystem, hyenas are indeed an animal that deserves to be studied more deeply. Even though it is often stereotyped, its presence in nature makes an important contribution and ensuring environmental balance. Hyena animal. The scientific name of hyenas is Hyanidae. Hyena is a carnivorous animal that is often associated with mysterious and cruel images. However, there are many interesting and unique facts about this animal. Here is an in-depth explanation of hyenas. Physical characteristics. Hyenas have large bodies with their backs higher than their fronts, giving them a distinctive posture. Hyenas are equipped with strong claws and sharp teeth designed for tearing and chewing food. Hyena species. Flowering hyena. Spotted hyena, the best-known species, has mottled plumage and a complex social structure. Striped hyena, found in North Africa and the Middle East. It has a less contrasting striped pattern. Habitat and distribution. Flowering hyenas are commonly found in savannas and open forests throughout sub-Saharan Africa. Brown hyenas can be found in desert and desert areas, while spotted hyenas are often found in drier areas. Eating habit. Hyenas are versatile predators that can prey on large animals, such as zebras, wildebeests, and sometimes even young lions. They also feed on carrion and can steal prey from large carnivores such as lions. Intelligence and communication. Flowering hyenas are renowned for their pack hunting acumen. They use a coordinated strategy to pursue prey. Hyenas use a variety of sounds to communicate, including the characteristic laughter, which is actually a form of social communication. Sociality and hierarchy. Flowering hyenas live in groups led by a dominant female. They have a complex social structure and strict hierarchy. Social relationships are very important, especially in hunting activities and protecting territory. Reproduction and child care. Flowering hyena females have long pregnancies and usually only gives birth to one child each time. The entire group of hyenas contributes to caring for the young, and the presence of social support helps in the survival of the young. Hyenas are fascinating creatures with intelligence and complex social behavior. Through a better understanding of hyena ecology and behavior, we can increase conservation efforts and ensure the survival of this species in its natural habitat. Areas usually found hyena animal. Hyenas can be found in several regions in Africa and Asia. Here are the areas where you can usually find hyenas. Sub-Saharan Africa. East African savanna, especially in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Rwanda. South African grasslands, in countries like South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia. Forests and semi-desert areas. Several species of hyena, especially brown hyenas, found in semi-desert or forest areas such as in southern Africa. Asia. Bearded hyena, a species found in West Asia and the Middle East, usually in countries like Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and several Middle Eastern countries. Bearded hyenas are often found in desert and semi-desert areas in Central and West Asia. The presence of hyenas in these areas reflects their adaptability to various habitat conditions, starting from savanna and grassland to the forest and desert areas. Despite this, some hyena species are more limited in their geographic distribution, especially in certain areas of Africa and Asia. How to prevent extinction hyena animal? Preventing the extinction of hyenas involves a number of conservation strategies aimed at protecting their habitat, reduce conflict with humans, and ensuring population sustainability. Here are several ways to prevent the extinction of hyenas. Habitat protection. Establish conservation areas or national parks that involve the natural habitat of hyenas. This can help protect them from threats such as habitat change and poaching. Natural habitat conservation. carrying out habitat restoration projects to restore areas that have been degraded, and ensuring the sustainability of the hyena's natural ecosystem. Create and maintain habitat corridors to allow freer movement between hyena populations and prevent genetic isolation. Eradication of illegal hunting and trade. Enforce strict laws against illegal hunting, trading, and ownership of hyenas. Population and health monitoring. Conduct regular monitoring of hyena populations to understand population trends and their health. Through a combination of these strategies, it is hoped that we can create a safer environment and sustainable for hyenas and help prevent their extinction. And that concludes our journey through the wonders of our incredible planet. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next exploration.